to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll be walking you through how to stop deleting WhatsApp messages step by step. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future tech tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small vertical dots. Tap on those dots. Step 3. A menu will pop up. From that menu, tap on Settings. Step 4. Next, tap on Privacy. Step 5. Inside the privacy settings, scroll down and tap on Default Message Timer. This is where you can control if your messages will disappear over time. Step 6. Now, in the Default Message Timer section, you'll see different options for how long messages are saved. Tap on Off to turn off the auto-delete feature entirely. By selecting Off, you've now disabled the auto-delete chat option. Your WhatsApp messages will no longer disappear automatically, so you can keep them as long as you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.